Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball on your phone. First, download the official eFootball app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Make sure your phone has at least 4 GB of RAM and a good processor for optimal performance. After installation, complete the brief in-game tutorial to grasp the fundamental controls and game flow. Don't forget to link your Konami ID to secure your progress and unlock all online functionalities. Now, let's dive into the controls. eFootball offers 2 main control schemes, Classic and Advanced. Classic uses a virtual joystick and buttons, while Advanced relies more on taps and swipes. Experiment in the settings to find what feels most comfortable for you. The virtual joystick on the left controls player movement, while actions like shooting, passing, and tackling are performed on the right side of the screen. Spend some time in training mode to perfect your skill moves and powerful shots. Building a strong team is crucial for success. You can acquire new players through various in-game events, scouts, and agent packs. Focus on developing your favorite players by assigning training programs to boost their stats and overall rating. Before each match, carefully select your tactical formation and adjust your game plan to counter your opponent's strengths. Pay attention to player roles and team chemistry. A well-balanced squad performs much better on the pitch. Finally, let's talk about online play and progression. eFootball offers exciting online divisions where you can test your skills against players worldwide. Participate in special events and challenges to earn valuable rewards, including new players and training items. You'll earn GP and eFootball points through gameplay, which are essential for signing new talent and upgrading your squad. Keep refining your team and manager to climb the ranks and become a top eFootball player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.